This is a quick demonstration of a GPT I built using Mark Minovini's VCP concepts, which will help you in getting more kind of confidence in taking a trade if you want to use the excellent VCP concepts that Mark Minovini introduced. What is the VCP? I have links to other YouTubers who've done an excellent job on explaining this. They are in the description below. And otherwise, if you're interested in looking at Mark Minovini's work, you can have a look at all his books here. These are, I think, excellent books that you should read if you are interested in trading stocks using the volatility contraction pattern. I would highly recommend going through these books. So this is the GPT, and I will also put a link to this GPT below in case you want to use it. Of course, you'll need a paid account for ChatGPT to use it. And what this does is that you just need to upload 4 or 5 snapshots from TradingView of the daily 4-hour, 1-hour, 15 or 5-minute time frames. Depends on you, but I like to provide all these different time frames. And then this GPT actually gives you some kind of a confidence score, which tells you how confident it is of recommending the trade to you, or recommend buying that particular stock or script. So let's try this out. This is TradingView. This is Sonara software, and this is on the daily time frame. So I just I just copy this image, go here, and I just paste it here. I take the 4-hour again. I just copy this image and paste it here. Moving on to the 1-hour, just take this image, paste it here. The M15, copy and paste, and M5, that's the time frame on which I'd like to enter. And the other thing that you'll see is that there are 2 moving averages over here. It's just a MA ribbon, and these are for 20 and 50 simple moving averages. And there's a VWAP, but I'm not showing this. And the screenshots, we need to have these in these particular colors, because that's what I've given it. This is 50% of this orangey color, and this is blue, again 50%. So yeah, so this is the last one, and I just copy the image and just paste it here. And now let's see what it does. So these images come here. This is the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour, 15-minute, 5 and 5-minute. So this is how it goes. It says, analyzing the provided charts, I will assess the suitability. Here is a confidence score for each time frame based on the provided charts. So it gives a confidence score from 0 to 10. So 6 being, and it also gives you a little bit of a justification why it's done it, and it then gives you an overall confidence score on taking this. And based on that, it says the overall confidence score is below the threshold that would indicate a high probability trade setup based on Minovini's principle. The lack of a clear VCP across the time frames and inconsistent volume do not present a compelling case for entry. Thus, based on analysis, I would not recommend entering a trade. If a clear VCP was observed with the right volume and price action characteristics, an entry stop would be identified as follows, and so on. So that's pretty neat. We can try for something else. This is Tanala platforms. Let's say this is the daily time frame, or let's look at this, because this is what I was looking at. So this is Godfrey Phillips. This is the daily time frame. Let's just let me just start a new chat. I take a snapshot of the daily time frame. I move on to the 4-hour time frame, copy this image, paste it here. Moving on to the 1-hour time frame, copy the image, paste it here. the M15, copy, paste, and the M5. So now let's just see if it is able to recommend a trade for us. And here we go. So we upload these 5 different time frames, and let's see what the GPT does. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but it should just start anytime now. Alright, the daily chart shows that the stock is in a general uptrend with the price above the 20 EMA and 50 EMA. However, there seems to be a resistance level that the price is struggling to break. So then it gives a confidence score for a 4-hour. So it does a pretty decent analysis, I think, and you can use this. It also gives you like a confidence score, and based on that, it gives an overall confidence score which is 3 out of 10. There is no strong indication. So, okay, it's also giving like a markdown table. So no trade is recommended at this juncture. So yeah, this is what it is. And if you feel like using it, please feel free to use it. I will, like I said, paste a link to this and also a link to other YouTubers who've made some really good videos on the VCP. Thank you for watching.